Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena if you're new. Today I am getting my house prepped for us to go out of town in a couple of days. My sister and I, Amanda, we are going to Dubai. I'm so excited. This will be my maybe third time going to Dubai, but I've only been like, whenever I go, I've only been for like 1 or 2 days. But this time we're gonna be there for 5 full days and we're gonna get to enjoy the city and just explore, and I'm so excited. This is Amanda's second time to Dubai, and she was only there for a couple of days the last time as well. So we're so excited to have like some girl time. My husband Omar, he is on a guys trip this week. That is why he wasn't able to come with me, but it'll just kind of give us some time to like him have his guy time and then me have like my sister time. So it's gonna be a good trip, inshallah. I need to clean the kitchen, do the dishes, clean the bathrooms, vacuum, mop. I need to do everything. So I was like, this is the perfect opportunity to do a clean with me video. With it being the new year and kind of just having that fresh start state of mind, I thought this would be a good time to kind of do a clean with me video. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna start by doing my laundry, and then I'm just gonna kind of walk you through the rest of me cleaning the house. Probably gonna stop and like show you guys products that I'm using to clean and just kind of like little bits and pieces and maybe some advice. I don't know. I'm a new wife. I haven't been doing this very long, so if you guys have any tips on cleaning or anything like that, leave them down below. You guys always have like the best tips. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get my house under control. This may not seem like a lot of laundry to you, but it's just me and my husband, and I know like if we have kids or something, it's gonna get insane. But right now, this is a lot of laundry for me. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle all of this. My living room's not bad. I just need to straighten up a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and start on the laundry. While we're on the subject of washing clothes, I do have a couple of hijabs that I need to throw in the washing machine just so that they're ready for our trip. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys how I wash my hijabs, because a lot of you guys have always asked me that question, and I thought I would share. So these are the hijabs that I need to wash. I just have a couple of chiffons, and then I have this underscarf. These are all, actually this one is from Vol Chic. This is from Hot Hijab. This underscarf is by Hot Hijab as well, and it's their new like premium underscarves, and this one is like the mink classic. It is so good. So we have some jersey fabric, some mesh, and some chiffon. So it doesn't matter, like to me, I wash my hijabs only with other hijabs or like really soft materials, like really soft pajamas or like other delicates. So I treat this as a very delicate material. I do not want them to be ruined. Hijabs are expensive. You definitely do not want to ruin them. I'm gonna go ahead and add just my detergent and a little bit of fabric softener, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of each. I just put it on the delicate setting. You may want to hand wash your hijabs, just that's probably like the safest way if you don't want to ruin them, but it's just easiest for me to put it on the delicate setting. I'm gonna be moving on to my kitchen. I have dirty dishes I need to get to. I need to just clear off everything. It's really not too bad, but I just need to like do the dishes and then kind of just like sanitize the surfaces. So I did want to share this with you guys. I did share it on my Instagram story, so if you want to see the full story, I'll highlight it and you can go back and watch it. But I bought these flowers 3 days ago, and yesterday they were already wilted, and I tried like my very best to bring them back to life, and I actually did it. They were literally like wilted, like drooping. Basically what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to cut 2 inches off the bottom of the flower stems at an angle, and then you're supposed to slice them down the middle to allow more water to penetrate the stems. I gave lots of like tips that you guys also gave me in my stories, so I will leave that highlighted in my Insta story. Just finished off the dishes, so now I'm gonna like scrub down my sink. My sink is stainless steel, and the best thing that I found to clean it is baking soda. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of wet the sink a little bit, sprinkle it in, and scrub it down. I feel so much better now that the kitchen is clean. I already wiped down the appliances and I cleaned the stove the other day, so I think those are good. I do need to freeze those bananas over there because they are getting like really ripe, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take a break so I can go pray, and then we'll get back to cleaning. One thing that I wanted to ask you guys is, I like really want a cat, and even though like I love having like a really clean house and everything, like I just love cats so much. I'm such a crazy cat lady. The only problem is that Omar is allergic, so we would have to maybe get like a hypoallergenic cat or something. Leave a comment down below if you have a hypoallergenic cat, or you know of one that you know doesn't cause any allergic reactions or anything like that. I would love a ragdoll cat. I just think they are like so sweet. I used to have one when I was really little, but they are definitely not hypoallergenic. So if you guys know of any really sweet cats that will not cause my husband to have to take allergy medicine every single day, please let me know. Okay, I'm sorry you guys can hear my washing machine, but I wanted to share with you guys how I dry my hijab. So I usually just leave the chiffons on a hanger to dry, as well as the underscarves. If I'm drying like a jersey hijab, I will put it in the dryer on the delicate cycle, but chiffons dry so fast and so easily that I just leave them hanging. Okay, we are moving on to my bathroom. I really want to just kind of like wipe everything down, wipe down the mirrors, the faucets, the sinks, the countertops, and the toilets. And then one thing I didn't mention is after I finish like cleaning everything, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the whole house and maybe mop. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm gonna do that at the end. So to wipe down the mirrors, I'm using Windex, but this is the vinegar version, and it's a lot less like strong smelling. It does smell like vinegar, but it's not as like chemically smelling, if that makes any sense. To clean everything else, I'm using this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Basil Scent Spray, and it's just like an all-purpose multi-surface cleaner. I love the basil scent. It smells so good. Okay, everything is wiped down and all clean. One thing I wanted to kind of mention to you guys is I use pink gloves to clean like the sinks and everything. So pink is sink, and then I use green gloves to clean the toilet. So I always keep those very separate. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the toilet in here, and then I'm gonna work on our guest bathroom. Okay, you guys, you know when you're like so dead after cleaning? Okay, that's how I feel. I still have vacuuming and mopping. I decided I'm gonna just get it done tonight. I went ahead and I put the mats that are in the bathroom in the washing machine so that those will be clean as well. This is the vacuum that I use. It's nothing really that special. It does the job. It's the Shark. I don't even really know what model it is or anything. It's nothing fancy. I really want to get one of those really fancy like stick vacuums that are cordless. That would be amazing. So maybe one day I'll get a really fancy vacuum. I'm also still using the just regular old mop that our grandmas used. I just haven't like invested in any like fancy cleaning supplies just yet. It's probably about like 7:30 right now. So I'm hoping to be done by like 8:15. That way I can just kind of like chill out the rest of the night and take a shower because I feel gross. You guys, I did it. I am literally so exhausted right now and I'm sweating. You guys can notice the glow. It's sweat. So everything is clean. The only thing that I really need to do left is like, I think I'm gonna wash our pillowcases, and obviously I need to like make my bed tomorrow, but we're not leaving until the day after tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that before we leave. Let me give you guys a little overview of everything that's finished. Kitchen, living room. Doesn't everything just feel so much better when the floors are clean? I hope that you guys enjoyed this clean with me vlog. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this on my channel, so give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming Pack With Me for Dubai, so I'm going to show you guys all the dresses and like accessories and shoes and makeup and skincare and everything that I'm bringing with me. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.